Alright, now we have reached Cairn Falls. Or maybe it's Cairns Falls. Just got past a group of scouts. There's our intrepid climber, hiker crossing. Now she's making her way. You can already see Callie and Tammy are behind the falls. Donna making her way up. That would be screen right. The rest of our group coming into the picture on the right side. Jennifer is making a daring move, a slide of some kind. Nope. She's rethinking that idea. Time to come up with a better plan. Alright, and from here we're going to be going in that direction back into Devil's Hollow. I used to take people along this section right here and up beyond this, and actually found a place to climb up and then descend. But the trail actually has a place to start further down in that direction, closer to the creek. Still kind of, measuring the day. We have a lot of ground to cover. So we may not do that off-trail climb up there. Back to the falls. And we are moving on.